So I decided to do an unboxing, even though I already opened it, but I still wanted to do a video. So this is the box that came in, and you know, they put those lovely little mentions and stuff. But anyway, here's my t-shirt. Let me try to get it out of the box without knocking the box over this time. I'm so excited about this t-shirt. I'm doing t-shirts for the holidays, and I want you to see this on the bottom. And the reason is because, well, first let me just say it came super quick. Let me also say that I'm very excited about the area because this little symbol at the bottom was outside of the dotted lines within the square, right? If you're doing t-shirts, you'll know what I'm talking about. I thought that that area was sort of, I have to stay within. But as it turns out, I don't, because obviously this showed up and I put something on there that if it was there, great. If it wasn't, great. The t-shirt is so soft. I'm a big girl and I got a large and I thought maybe I should have got an extra large, but I put it on and it actually fits really nicely. Sometimes, you know, you get an extra large because it covers you, but then it kind of looks sloppy. This shirt is so nice, true to size. I have a whole slew of t-shirts that I've already prepared. I cannot wait to place the order. The prices were very reasonable. I love Canva. I just can't say enough great things about this company and their production, and just do it. It's the best. Thanks, Canva. I am going to have a very Merry Christmas.